Hello everyone, welcome back to Story Chronicles. In today's tutorial we are going to learn about ln command in Linux. The ln command is a useful utility used for numbering line in a text file. It reads input either from files, from standard input, from stdn standard input, and press the content. Okay, display file with line number. The simplest use is nl is just nl and file name. Notice empty lines are skipped. Only non-empty lines are numbered. So let's check our file. Let's do some modification. Here, empty lines. Ctrl-X, save. Let's clear the screen. And now example.net. And now example.txt. So yes, empty lines are skipped. Only non-empty lines are numbered. Number all line, including empty one, you can use nl -b, a, and file name. -b, a option means number all lines. By default, line number increased by 1. You can change the increment using -a option. nl -a 3 and example, and we see 1, 4, 7, 10. Now the line number increased by 3. By default, starting number is 1. We can use -v option to change it. Let's clear the screen. nl -v 10 example.txt. Now numbering starts from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You can add custom separator string using -s option. For example, let's add asterisk and example.txt. And we see 1 asterisk, 2 asterisk, and so on. It is useful for formatting reports or logs. Using -w option, you can change height of line number columns. Let's execute -w 5, for example, and example.net. Increasing height improves alignment for larger files. Let's execute with 10 or 15, and you see difference. Now we can use nl with standard input. We can use a different way. This way, echo -e Linux add separator docker separator Kubernetes. This output go to nl input. nl with -n option can change number for format. With nl -n ln left justified, ln right justified, and rz right justified with the Linux zone. So let's execute some command. nl -n left justified and our file name example.txt, and you see output nl with -n with right justified rn, and you see output. Let's clear the screen. The last option rz with right justified with leading zeros, and you see output. So that's all for this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell.